The digital nomad lifestyle represents a dramatic shift in how people view work, mobility, and personal freedom. Instead of being tied to a single office, digital nomads use technology to work from anywhere. Beaches, mountain towns, co-working cafes, or even airport lounges while waiting for the next flight. This lifestyle emerged alongside remote work technology and global connectivity, giving people the chance to build careers without sacrificing their desire to explore the world. For many, becoming a digital nomad is not just a career choice but a personal transformation. It challenges traditional ideas of stability and replaces them with flexibility and global curiosity. The ability to wake up in one country and fall asleep in another while still maintaining a full-time job creates an exciting rhythm that appeals to those who crave variety. Digital nomads often talk about the thrill of discovering new cultures, adapting to different environments, and finding inspiration in unfamiliar places. Yet behind the glamorous photos lies a deeper truth. Digital nomadism requires discipline. Balancing deadlines with travel requires careful planning, strong time management, and the ability to stay organized in constantly changing settings. The lifestyle is rewarding, but it demands responsibility and a willingness to adapt quickly. Living as a digital nomad means embracing a life where mobility and productivity coexist. Instead of measuring success by climbing a corporate ladder in one location, nomads define achievement through experiences, personal growth, and the ability to sustain their income while exploring the world. This shift often leads to a more balanced lifestyle. Morning work sessions blended with afternoon adventures, or evenings spent finishing tasks after a day of exploring a new city. A key advantage of the digital nomad lifestyle is exposure to diverse cultures. Meeting people from different backgrounds expands perspective, sparks creativity, and strengthens communication skills. Many nomads find that learning local customs or switching co-working spaces frequently keeps them inspired and motivated. This cultural richness becomes part of their professional identity, shaping how they solve problems and approach new opportunities. However, the lifestyle also brings challenges. Unstable Wi-Fi, unfamiliar environments, and constant transitions can disrupt routines. Loneliness may appear when moving often, and managing finances across currencies requires attention. Despite these obstacles, many digital nomads thrive by creating systems, using productivity apps, building online communities, and maintaining consistent work habits regardless of location. With the right mindset, these challenges become stepping stones toward resilience and independence. The digital nomad lifestyle ultimately offers a new definition of freedom, one shaped by intentional choices rather than traditional expectations. Instead of waiting for vacations, nomads integrate exploration into everyday life. They craft routines that suit their energy, choose environments that inspire them, and cultivate a sense of ownership over how they spend their time. This autonomy attracts people who value experiences over possessions and who prefer flexible careers that evolve with them. Another defining aspect is community. While nomads move frequently, they often build meaningful connections through co-living spaces, travel groups, and online forums designed for remote workers. These networks create a sense of belonging, offering support, advice, and collaboration opportunities. Many nomads describe these relationships as some of the most enriching parts of their journey. Ultimately, the digital nomad lifestyle is not about running from responsibility but redesigning life around purpose and possibility. It teaches adaptability, encourages global awareness, and empowers people to pursue meaningful work anywhere in the world. With the right balance of discipline and curiosity, digital nomadism becomes a pathway to personal fulfillment, one that blends career growth with the joy of discovering the world, one destination at a time.